Eko Atlantic is an engineering marvel. And if you look around, this is not just a future. This is a global city. And this is a place for the elites.
You don't know where to look now. You don't know where to stand. You don't know what happens if I take your hand. You don't know if this is real.
You bought in Banana Island when it was hot. You bought in Ikoyi, even right now. But have you thought of buying in Eko Atlantic? This is Eko Atlantic. Look around you, a mega city rising directly from the ocean.
You don't need a rush. Take it off slow. Let me watch. You don't need to speak. You don't need control. Take it off slow. You breathe heavier now. You don't try to hide it. You don't try to stop it. You let yourself like it. Take it off slow. You don't need a rush. Take it off slow. Let me watch. You don't need to speak. You don't need control. Take it off slow.
This and many more you can get from us at Eko Atlantic.
Don't think about it. You don't belong to my future. You barely belong to now. You don't know why you follow. You just know you had to. You don't know my intentions. You don't know my plans. You just know your body moves when I stand. You don't need answers. You need the moment. You're tonight's mistake, and I like it that way. You don't need forever, just one taste. You're tonight's mistake. You won't regret it. You'll remember it. You'll replay it when you're alone again. You're tonight's mistake, and I like it that way. You don't need forever, just one taste. You're tonight's mistake. Tonight only. Tonight only. Right there. Don't move. You don't know how I like it, but you're starting to learn. You don't ask too many questions. You just wait your turn. You follow every small reaction, like it's telling you something. You don't speak, you just adjust until it feels like nothing. I don't need to say it twice. You ready?